everyone, in today's video we're gonna be making a cute little rolled cake.
Make a slip knot. Making a slip knot, we have to cross our working yarn like this. You should have a crossover here and grab your hook, then insert your hook like this, and then we have this yarn here. We have to pull it through like this, and then you have to pull your yarn like this. You have to tighten it a little. In the round one, we have to do chain 30. For the chain, we have to make it yarn over, then pull your yarn like this. This is our chain 1. For chain 2, yarn over again, pull it through to again, yarn over, just like this, yarn over, pull your yarn to the remaining hook. We have 3 V's, that means we have 3 chains over here. Then yarn over again until it's 40 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, so we have to make another 36 chains. This is our chain 40, which is like this. So now we're gonna do is make double crochet on each of the chains that V we have here. So for double crochet, we have to ignore the first 2 V's over here. So we will make our first double crochet in this V, the third V. For double crochet, we have to yarn over, put our hook in this V, the third V. So yarn over again, pull the yarn, then we have 3 loops on our hook. So yarn over, go through the first 2 loops, and then yarn over again and go through the remaining loops. And congrats, you have your first double crochet, which is right over here. And now you have to mark it with our stitch marker. Where is our special stitch marker? Can't find it. So now we have to continue doing double crochet in each of these V's over here. So for double crochet again, let me show you. Yarn over, this V is right over here. So yarn over, insert your hook on that V, then yarn over again. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. So yarn over, go to the 2 loops, and then yarn over again, go to the remaining loops on our hook. We have our round. So here you have to cross your yarn. So you have to chain 2 first for our second round. So yarn over, pull through the yarn, chain 1, and then yarn over, pull through your like this. Now our first V is this one, right over here, this one. So you have to make our double crochet right over here. So yarn over, put your hook on the V, then yarn over, pull through the yarn. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, then yarn over to the first 2 loops, and then yarn over, second 2 loops. So we have done making our front layer. Now we're gonna make our cream. For cream, we have to grab our white yarns, and on the same process we are going to chain 27 this time for the cream inside the cake. So we have to make a slip knot first. insert your hook like this, then grab the yarn and then pull to make it tighter like this. So this time we have to make chain 27. So yarn over, pull through the loops, yarn over, pull the loop, yarn over like this. This is our 27 chains. It will be right over here like this. So we have to ignore our first two V's. So we will make our first double crochet on the third loop, third center. So insert your hook, yarn over again, and then we have three loops on our hook, then yarn over, go through the first two loops, then yarn over, then other two loops. So let's mark it. So at this point you will look that this hole right over here is a little tight, so we can take help from our needle. So yarn over to our very last V. So this yarn over again. It's a little complicated, but here you go. Yarn over again, first two loops and then second two loops. So we have to do our two chain for 1, 2. Now we will make again a double crochet in the very first, then yarn over again for the first two loops, then yarn over again the remaining loop. This stage we will pull our this yarn so long inside our stitches. Our cream is ready. So let's do the same thing to our this working yarn. You can just simply cut this one.
At this point, you have to glue it together and roll it over like how I'm doing. I've already glued this part and now we're gonna roll this like this. And congrats, you have your rolled cake ready. And now you can put it like as it is a kitchen. I couldn't show it, but it will look so good.